In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize pictures. With the modern digital cameras, the pictures they take are very large. Some cameras are 5, 7, and even 8 megapixel photos. And if you've tried to email one of those to a friend, you know it takes a long time to do it, and then if they have a dial-up internet connection, they may not even be able to get those pictures. So you need to make the pictures smaller. Here's an example of a picture. The file size, here we go, it's 3400 by 2300 pixels. Now if we look at that in actual size, okay, see it's massive. It's a very large picture. It's too large to look at on the screen all at once. So we need to be able to shrink it down to a more manageable size. Ideally, if we could have the whole picture fit on our screen, then that's the size picture you want to be able to send to someone in an email. So if we could get it down to something like that, it'd be a smaller file size and an email a lot quicker. We could send 5 or even 10 pictures in one email to somebody. So I'm going to show you how to do this online with a free little tool. So if you go to the internet, get online and go to shrinkpictures.com. They have an image resizer, so scroll down just a little bit and click on Browse, and at this drop down menu find where your pictures are at. My pictures are located under My Documents, and then I go to My Pictures, and here's the picture I'm going to resize. So I double click on that, and what size do I want it to be? Well, here's select a new maximum image dimensions. I'll make it about 600 pixels wide because I want it big enough for the people I'm sending the picture to be able to see the details in the picture, but I don't want it so large that it overflows the screen. So you can also choose a percentage, but it's easier just to pick a standard pixel size. And I don't want any grayscale or sepia, so I'm not going to check that box. And I want a fairly decent quality, so I'm going to leave the radio button in the middle checked for better. And all you got to do is hit resize. It's that easy. So this will take just a second. Okay, and it pops up the new image in this size, and in order to get this picture you can click download this picture now, or you can just right click on it. So let's click on download this picture now, and I'm going to save it. I'll put it back next to the other picture under My Pictures. So I'll go to My Documents and then My Pictures, and I don't want this file name they gave it, so actually I want the old file name, but I'm going to put a SM for small, or you can name them however you want, but it needs to be named something different so you don't overwrite the original file. And we can open that up and view it in its actual size, and that's how big the picture is. So if we go back and compare these two pictures, this one is 3400 by 2300 pixels, and it's right here 2.88 megabytes. That's a pretty big picture size. And this one is 600 by 400, and it's only 34 kilobytes. So it's a lot smaller picture and much easier to email to your friends. So I hope you enjoy this little tool and stop sending your friends those massive pictures that they can't open. All right? Thanks a lot.